Hey, it's Nikki. Welcome or welcome back. Today I have just one DIY for you. I tried to keep it as short as possible, but you know how it goes with Wreaths. They're just such detailed projects that it's hard to compress everything down, but still, I'm excited to walk you through, and I think that you'll love how this turned out. So, this wreath form that I got from Goodwill was like just a couple dollars. I got a couple of them, and this greenery came from Goodwill as well. Most all of my florals came from the Dollar Tree, but a few things, Hobby Lobby, but as I said, for the most part, the Dollar Tree. And originally, like when I first started, I was going to use my awl tool to poke a hole into the foam, but I didn't really need it. This was my first time working with this kind of wreath form, and I actually really enjoyed it. I'm gonna have to get more for the future because I mean, I didn't have to really use much hot glue at all. And you won't see me hot glue anything. I went off camera when I was all done and just put some hot glue here and there. As I was putting this together, I imagined something flowy and whimsical, but full of fall colors, very rich, but also balanced with plenty of greenery to give it more of a organic feel. So I also wanted something dramatic and with a big presence. And I think it came together just the way that I pictured, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this once we get to the end. I am going to put on a little bit of music that I hope you will find calming and relaxing and just enjoy watching me put this wreath together. And also, don't forget that you can speed through it if you just want to see the end result. But for those who want to stick around and watch, I hope you enjoy. If you're still here with me, I just want to take a moment and thank you so much for watching today. And if you're enjoying this video, guys, I would be so grateful if you'd hit that subscribe button. I am working so hard towards my goal of 1,000 subscribers by September 23rd. And it would mean the world to me to have you join me on that journey. And even though it's just days away and I still have a ways to go, your subscription counts. And I just want you to know how important you are to me. And also, I would love to know, are you ready for Christmas DIYs? Do you still want fall projects or maybe even a little Halloween? Let me know what you're interested in. I always enjoy reading your thoughts. And also, October 1st starts the 12 days of Christmas, and we'll be having a playlist all ornament related. So I look forward to you watching those tutorials and letting me know what you think of those. But we will be starting Christmas early this year. Typically, we do the 12 days of Christmas in November, but as I said, October 1st, the fun begins. All right, back to the video. I am just loving how this wreath is coming together. I think it is so pretty. Have you guys started decorating your homes for fall yet? My house totally looks like a fall exploded in here, but it's all from the projects that I made so far, so I can't complain. And I am so excited because once I hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers, I am planning on a giveaway, and I'm still trying to figure out all the details, but my idea is to let my subscribers actually pick from my projects. I'm going to choose 3 winners. The first will get to choose 3 projects. The second, choose 2, and then the third will choose 1. How fun is that? I really love hearing from you guys, and I want to know what you think about this down in the comment box below. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention earlier that the sign came from the Dollar General and it was only $3. But that is it for this wreath. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for spending time with me today. Until the next one, guys. Bye.